Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to personalize and customize list in ServiceNow. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So for customizing any particular list, we need to go to that list. So whenever we are talking about the list, it's always available in the inside the problem or change request or inside the is incident. So when we want to personalize these type of list which is available inside the service now, we have to click on this personalized list icon, which is coming in terms of settings button. Once you'll click on that, you'll find it at all the list which is available inside the service now is listed here. We have selected as of now number, problem statement, state, resolution code, assignment group, assigned to, configuration item, and related incident. If we want to add any specific item, let's say approval, then we need to double click on this. And if we want to move this to the upward so that it will appear next to number, next to this. So you can just click on this and this statement will be available in terms of approval. When you will click on OK, this list will be saved and you will find it out approval is available next to number. Now, if we want to do it reset to the column by default, which is available by default, once I'll click on this, it will reset to the default options, which is available for everyone or for in the big name. We can also add compact rows, active row highlights. These all options are available. You can find out n numbers of options are there. We can add any number of list inside this. So this is for our personal component. If we want for every users to see this type of list, then we have to click on menu tab, right click on this and click on configure. And from here, you have to click on list layout. When we click on the list layout, you'll find it out these statements are available. And if I need to click or add approval for all these users, this will be listed for every user. So whoever is going to view this list, they can see number, approval, and problem statement. Once I will click on save, this will be applicable for every user who is going to use inside our organization. Now, if I want to reset it to back, then I will click on default view. Then I will find it out on default view option is available for me. We can add any number of components. If you want to add any specific name, you can just write this test. Test is available in terms of string, and I want this field length to be small to 40. You can add any number of field lengths like medium, which is 100, large 1000, and extra large, this is 4000. Once I will click on this, this list is also available. When I will click on save, this items will be added inside the database as well as on this page. So you'll find it out test item is also there. Let me refresh this page. Now we'll find it out inside this test will be here, but we have to, I think, personalize the component so that we can see it. So test is added at the end. You can see once I will click on OK, the test will be available at the end. You can see this. So by this way, we can add any number of component inside the list, and we can also remove it because whenever it is not required, we can just remove it, click on OK, and that list will be removed permanently. Same way, we can remove it from here, list layout. If I want to delete this or now you can see here, we have removed it from the all these user. Once I will click on this, this will no more available for the user. So this is how we can personalize the components. We can also create a new list from here. you will find it out different options are available inside the problem statement. We can also customize this component as well, which we will see it in next video. Hope this will help you to understand ServiceNow administrator component. If you really like this component, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.